Znači, pošto je 700 metara duga i najduža, ima jednu posebnost, to je da na 2/3 se izravnava, znači ide doli i onda se na 2/3 izravnava i ide na kraju lagano prema gori, to će vas prirodno čuvati.
Watch your planet separate, cause our lives are full of hate. I wonder how could we be so dumb? Apathetic to our fate, always finding an escape. I wonder how could we be so dumb? So fucking dumb. So fucking dumb. We're not aware of what is real. Being immortal's what we feel. I wonder how can we be so dumb? We're too ignorant to change. We're too young to take blame. I wonder how can we be so dumb? We're so naive. We're not aware of anything, cause we don't know what's going on. We're so naive. We're not aware of anything, cause we're too busy having fun. So fucking dumb. So fucking dumb. So fucking dumb. Dumb. Dumb.
Damn, that was hard.
Last one's gonna be